Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Blog. So guys, I'm going to actually explain to you what you really need to pay attention to that is very likely going to be coming in the crypto market. So guys, this is Trading View and we're actually going to look at the chart of Bitcoin. For today, we're actually going to look at the chart of Bitcoin to see what is currently happening. So guys, I told you guys that pay attention very well, that it is very likely that we are actually going to have a trend here. Okay, we are actually going to have a trend at this spot here. You can actually see this trend line. We are currently having a resistance level at that point, as you can currently see there. So for the past 7 days, if I should be talking over for the past 7 days, which is 1 week, we have been trading around that area. So guys, pay attention very well, for this is what is likely going to be coming, because I'm going to show you what is very possible in the next coming few hour here guys. So guys, let's look into the short time frame. So in the short time frame, I'll be using 1 hour time frame to actually analyze the market, and let's see how the market has been trending in for the past few days right now. So we can currently see that we are actually holding on a particular resistance level, and this resistance level we have been actually be trending up, trending down, trending up, trending down. If in any case we break these lines, if in any case we break these drawn trend lines that you actually see here, right, you're actually going to see a big move coming guys, a big move coming. If we break to the downside, you're actually going to see a big move coming. If we break to the downside, right, you're actually going to see a big move that is going to come in the market. If we break to the downside or we break to the upside. So in this video, if we mistakenly break to the upside, you are actually going to see us trading around 36,700. Of course, that is my price prediction, 36,700. That is a possibility in the market, because right now guys, we have actually traced back from this level. We have actually traced back. You can actually see this was the level we actually holding before. This was the level we actually holding before we actually this was the level we actually holding before. So each time you see this range, the same range happen here, the same range happen here, the same range happen here. All this range, whenever you see this move, you're actually going to see up move, the same thing here, up move, the same thing here, up move. So what is currently happening here guys is that the same position is creating right now, and you need to actually pay attention. And in the next following hour, there is a high possibility that we are actually going to break to the upside. And if we break to the upside, that may actually let us to actually trade around this area, and we should actually watch and pay attention if we are actually going to break out or actually do the same thing here. Because severally we actually each time we actually touch this trend line, we break down, right? We touch this trend line again, we break down. The same thing also happen at this area. You should actually pay attention guys. The same thing is what happened at this area. So that's why you need to actually pay attention to what is coming right now in the crypto market. We touch here, we break down. The same thing happen here, we touch here, we break down. So that means this level you can actually see here is a very strong level that you need to actually pay attention to. That means if the market, if Bitcoin should actually break above this trend line, if Bitcoin should actually break above this line here, you're actually going to see a massive move in the market, and that will actually take us to $36,700 in the price of Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin smash down, then we need to actually pay attention to 33,100 or possible 33,400. Now, some people will be asking, why did I say so? The reason why I say so, you can actually see a trend line here. You can actually see that we have a trend line here. You can actually see this trend line here, this line here, and you can actually see this. So if I should be measuring this, you're actually going to have this over here in the market. We have this. If Bitcoin should in any way drop, pay attention, guys. We have this, and another one, we actually have this level, guys. Pay attention. Pay very good attention, because when it happens, I'm going to tell you that yes, I told you. These are the level you need to actually pay attention for Bitcoin. Here also, right? We have a trend line there. We have a trend line there. You can actually see in the market. So, if Bitcoin should in any way break this level, right, we're actually going to see, yes, so these are the level. If Bitcoin in any way should mistakenly break these levels, should mistakenly break this trend line, you should actually expect Bitcoin to trade around these areas before actually maybe bounce back. That is a possibility in the market, and we need to actually pay a very good attention to that. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you. Goodbye and thank you.